What if I told you that after 50, your body is still capable of becoming stronger, not weaker, not fragile, but stronger, more stable, more confident in your daily life? Most people believe something different. They believe aging automatically means decline. They believe strength slowly disappears. They believe balance cannot be improved again. But that is not completely true, because your body is not a fixed machine. It is a living system, and it responds to how you use it. If you move less, your body becomes less active. If you avoid physical effort, your strength reduces slowly. If you stop training your muscles, they become weaker over time. But this does not happen suddenly. It happens quietly, without warning, without pain in the beginning. Day by day, week by week, month by month, the change builds slowly, until one day, you notice it. Standing up feels slower than before. Walking feels less steady. Climbing stairs takes more effort, and your balance does not feel the same anymore. Many people think this is just aging, but in reality, it is often inactivity, not age itself. Because the human body has one powerful rule: use it or lose it, and that includes your legs, your hips, and your balance system. But here is the important truth: your body is still capable of improving, even now, even after years of decline, even after 50, 60, or 70, because strength is not gone. It is just inactive, sleeping inside your muscles, waiting to be reactivated. And the good news is this: you do not need extreme workouts. You do not need machines. You do not need a gym membership. You only need simple movements, done consistently, done correctly, and done with control. Today in this video, I will guide you through 5 simple exercises designed specifically for real-life strength, not bodybuilding, not heavy lifting, but daily independence. These exercises will help you stand up more easily, walk with more confidence, improve your balance, and reduce instability. But I want you to stay with me, because one of these exercises, the third one, is often ignored, yet it plays a powerful role in preventing falls and improving coordination. So let us begin slowly. No pressure, no rushing, just understanding your body again. First exercise: sit to stand. We begin with something very familiar: sitting down and standing up. You already do this every single day, but most people do it without awareness, without control, without engaging the right muscles. Now we change that. Sit on a stable chair. Place your feet flat on the ground. Take a moment to feel your position. Now lean slightly forward and stand up slowly, without using your hands. Pause for a moment at the top. Feel your balance. Feel your posture. Then slowly sit back down again. Do not drop into the chair. Do not rush the movement. Control every second, because this movement is more powerful than it looks. Trains your legs. It activates your hips, and it strengthens your core. These are the muscles that support your daily life. Getting up from bed, walking through your home, climbing stairs safely. And when these muscles become weak, even simple tasks feel difficult. So this movement brings them back to life. Slowly, gently, but effectively. Second exercise: calf raises. Now we move to something often ignored, but extremely important: your calves. Your calves play a major role in balance, in walking stability, and in preventing sudden falls. Most people do not think about them until they start feeling unsteady, so we train them gently. Stand near a wall or chair for support. Slowly lift your heels upward. Pause at the top, then lower them down slowly. No bouncing, no rushing, just controlled movement. This improves blood flow, strengthens lower legs, and improves balance over time. Even though it looks small, It has a very strong impact on daily movement. Third exercise, step back lunges. Now we move to the third exercise. This one is very important and often ignored by most people. It is called the step back lunge. Most people avoid lunges because they think it is too hard or bad for the knees. But this version is different because we step backward, not forward. And that small change matters because it reduces stress on the knees while still building strength. Now let's begin slowly. Stand tall, feet stable, body relaxed. Now step one leg backward. Slowly, controlled. Lower your body slightly, not too deep, just enough to feel balance. Then push gently back to standing. Now switch sides, one leg at a time. Slow rhythm, controlled movement. This exercise builds something very important, balance between both legs, because most people do not realize this. One leg is usually stronger than the other, and that imbalance can lead to instability, especially when walking or climbing stairs. So this movement helps correct that. Slowly, naturally, and safely. Now take a short pause and think about something important. Which of these movements feels the hardest for you? Sit to stand, calf raises, or step back lunges, because the hardest movement is often the one your body needs most. Fourth exercise, glute bridges. Now we move to the hips and the lower back support system. Lie down comfortably on a mat or soft surface. Keep your feet flat on the ground, knees bent, hands relaxed by your side. Now slowly lift your hips upward. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower down. Do not rush this movement. Keep it controlled and smooth. This exercise does something very important. It reactivates weak muscles in your hips and lower body. And when your hips are strong, your lower back feels less pressure, and your walking becomes more stable. This is why many people feel pain, not because of age, but because of inactive muscles. Fifth exercise, heel to toe walk. Now we finish with balance training. Stand up slowly, find a straight line or an open space. Now place one foot directly in front of the other, heel to toe. Slowly, focus on each step. Do not rush. Do not lose balance. This exercise trains your brain and your body together, because balance is not just muscles. It is coordination between mind and movement. And like everything else, balance can be trained at any age. Now let us bring everything together. Sit to stand, calf raises, step back lunges, glute bridges, heel to toe walk. Do these exercises slowly and consistently, 3 to 4 times per week, just a few minutes each time. No machines, no pressure, no gym required, just your body and your consistency. Now listen carefully, because this is important. Your body is not broken, and it is not too late. What you are feeling today is not permanent weakness. It is simply the result of inactivity, and inactivity can be reversed. Slowly, gently, and safely. If you begin today, even with small steps, you will start to notice change. More stability, more strength, more confidence in daily life, and most importantly, more independence, because that is the real goal. Not speed, not intensity, not perfection, just the ability to live life comfortably and confidently. If you found this helpful, subscribe to VitaSignal 60, because after 50, it is not about doing more. It is about doing what works.